Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send Google Docs to email. Now I want to send this document to email. What I need to do, I click here share and then get link. Click here copy link. And then I go to the email. I will send it to this email, subject, hello. Then paste the link here. And then just click send. Yeah, it's already sent it now. This is what you need to do if you want to send Google Docs to email. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.